Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. So in this video, our next customization is to show a tooltip on our button here. We need to put a tooltip. So this is a demonstration in order to tell users about the information with regard to this button. So whatever interface you are having, at least you need a tooltip which gives a brief explanation about the button or any other features which are on the interface. So the tooltip, it gives tips to the users on how to use the program or on how to use the feature on your program. So the tooltips are very helpful and important. So they are just the text. So we are going to put a tooltip on this button. So let us close and go back to our code. So a tooltip, it is part of our Qt widget. So we needed to import it from this Qt widgets module. So let us go here on front. Let us put a comma here. Let us import a QToolTip tooltip. Okay, so it is part of our Qt widgets. Okay, Qt widget module. This QToolTips, what it does, it just gives a text to remind users of the functionality of a program or the functionality of the button, whatever it is that you want to put on your interface. The tooltip, it gives a clear text explanation on how the users should be using that program. So we need to add the tooltip on this button. So let us just press enter here on our button and let us say self dot button, our variable dot tooltip. So we need to set the tooltip to the button. So let us say set tooltip. Okay, and the tooltip, now inside you open quotation, then inside you type the tip that you want to tell the user. So it's just a button. So let us just say press the button, press the button. Okay, press the button. So I think that's all. What we need to do is to run our program. Let us create a space here, Control S to save. Let us run our program here. As you can see here, if you move your cursor, you can see the tooltip now is saying press the button. Then you can press the button. So on our next lecture, we are going to deal with a timer. Then we can see what we can do with this button so that when you press it, it has to perform an action. So we will do it. We learn some of the features in PySide 6. So at the moment, this is all for this lesson. See you on the next lesson when we learn another feature that we can add on our program. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.